Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the additional. The additional in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, Sunday, November the 25th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Binary time. This one will be number 7513. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Then let me see. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O, and between 2 ones comes an O. Finished in 2 minutes. Wow! Surprise! Under the 3 minutes. So we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle for today, in the additional, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.